And awareness is the first step to transformation. Do you believe you're good enough? Yes, I am asking you this question because I want to know whether you believe you're good enough. So, hello, wonderful people, and welcome. Let me ask you two simple questions. Do you believe you are good enough? And when you do what is expected of you, are you giving your best? If either of those answers is no, then stay with me because this message is for you. The power of worthiness is important. You have to know you have the power and you're worthy. So one of the things I want you guys to make sure you understand is to begin understanding, hey, Tessa-Marie, I know I am good enough. Let's begin with this first question. Do you believe you're good enough? This is not a surface level question. This goes deep because so many of us walk around every day functioning but not flourishing. We smile, we work hard, we take care of everyone else's needs. But somewhere inside there is a voice whispering, you are not doing enough for them. You are certainly not measuring up. You are not worthy. You know what you're doing is not suitable for them. You could give them more of you. That voice is not your truth. That's an outside voice. That's a voice that expects the outside to be important to them. But that's not for you. You were not created by mistake. No, you weren't created by mistake. Nobody told you you were created by mistake. The thing is, you are not here by accident. No. You are more than your paycheck. Yes, you're more than that paycheck. Your past, you're more than that. You're certainly more than all those little things put together. What anyone else says about you, you're not that. That's what they say, but you know you're not that. You are born good enough. Nobody can tell you that. Nobody can doubt that. Your challenge is believing that truth and living from it. So it's challenging to live in the truth that I know I am good enough. So I'm going to live from that. I'm going to set my flag on that. I'm going to put my sail in that. I am good enough. So you see, the thing about it is that doing your best is important. Now, the second question, when you do what's expected of you, are you doing your best? Are you doing your best? It's not perfect. Not trying to impress anyone, not for sure, but you're showing up with your real, true, honest self and giving from your heart. Because sometimes we're just going through the motions. We meet all the deadlines they give us. We check off the boxes, done. But our spirit isn't in it. We are not in it. And that emptiness adds up. It becomes part of the thing that is weighing on our mind. I'm not doing enough. I'm not good enough. Until now, I'm not doing my best. This is tough. Doing your best isn't about exhausting yourself. It is about showing up with intention. It's about being in the present, your purpose. And that's important. The shift begins now. So if your answer to either question is no, I want you to know this. You are not alone. No, you're not. But this doesn't mean you're failed. No, it doesn't mean you're failed. It means you're becoming more and more aware of who you are and where you are. And awareness is the first step to transformation. Now, if your moment to reclaim your truth has passed by, that's not true. Your moment is now. You can still reclaim your truth, to stand in your worthiness, to stop doubting and stop delaying and start declaring. I am enough is your declaration. I am doing my best is your declaration. And I am allowed to rise. I can rise. Like the phoenix from the ashes. Let's take this through the 5 pillars of prosperity, because this isn't just about mindset. It's about the entire person, the whole and entire you. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. The 5 pillars of prosperity are, of course, emotional. Let go of guilt and shame. Stop punishing yourself for the past. You are allowed to feel joy, confidence, and peace. You see? Physical. Are you treating your body like it matters? Sleep, hydration, movement, self-care. Show your body that it deserves the best from you. Mental. Feed your mind with truth, not comparison, not fear. Speak life over yourself every single day. Your thoughts shape your reality. Spiritually, you are not alone. Connect with your higher power. Listen to your intuition. Your soul knows your worth, even when your mind forgets. Financial. Prosperity is not just about surviving. It's about thriving. You are worthy of abundance. Start managing your money like your future depends on it, because it really does. It does. Your future depends on your money. That's the beginning. So, your new beginning. You're changing, you're transforming. That's why the 5 pillars came into you. Your new beginning. This is your invitation today to show up differently, starting now. Not later. Not for them and not for applause, but for you, me, for us. Let your action reflect your belief in your value. Let your action reflect your belief in your value. Let your energy speak before your words even arrive. Let your life say, I am enough. I do my best. And that is more than good. Got that? So, let your actions reflect your belief. What do? You say one thing you believe, but you're doing something else because you want to please the neighbors. Let your energy speak your words. Put your energy into your words. Let your life say, I am enough. Walk like you know you're enough. Do your best. And that is all that is expected of you. And that is more than good enough. Every day you wake up, you have another chance to walk in your power, to reset, to realign, and to rise. You can rise. We all can. If this video spoke to your spirit today, and take a breath, a deep breath with me. I am enough. I give myself the best. I give myself the best love. I honor who I am becoming. I do not fear anything or anyone. You are here on purpose, with purpose and for purpose. You are here on purpose. You came purposely, with purpose and for purpose. And I, Tessa-Marie, I am here to walk you through the 5 pillars of prosperity so that you can live the fulfilled life you were born for. And just keep believing you've got this, because honestly, you've got this. Have an amazing and wonderful morning. Take care of yourself or night. Love it. Bye-bye.